Good afternoon, dear children. Today I am focusing on the poem that is The Road Not Taken. This class is for class 5. Now poem is The Road Not Taken. Now as I explained to you the first poem, I have explained to you. Now today once more I will read and just I will have a what is that short reflection on that. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry, I could not travel both. And being one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now, dear children, I already explained to you in the last YouTube, I think, the explanation what the poet says about this poem while he was passing in the jungle. There were two roads. You also got confused, don't know which road to take. It happens to us in our life also. If we have confusion, I mean two things in our mind. Now, for example, we want to attend online class as well as we want to watch the movie. Now, which is relevant for me? Is it movie I can watch afterwards or online class I can attend afterwards? Now, online class, the same subject, same teacher doesn't appear again. What happens? Movie you can see afterwards also, because movie comes again in the TV anytime, and wherever you want you can see in the mobile or whatever. So this is the option you sell, but here is the option is not like that. He was really confused which road he has to take. One road is gone, bent down. Now where it bent down in the undergrowth means gone, bent and gone, it is undergrowth. You don't know where it will reach. Now two roads are taking the diversion while we traveling also. Now suppose we travel by our own car, we also are puzzled, like these two roads are there, means which one to go we don't know. Sometimes we put on the map and GPS, and with that we go. Now and he is the only one traveler, no other traveler are along with him. So long traveling he has to do. The poet himself is the only one person traveler, who has to stand by himself till that road where it goes, to where it bent in the underground. Now you don't know where it has bent, where it has gone. That is scaring, isn't it? See, this is what in the first stanza we have experienced in the poem. Coming to the second poem now, second stanza, just I will read it. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had own them really about the same. Now, then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim. Now, after seeing that one of the roads disappeared into the undergrowth, into the undergrowth, the poet decides to take the other just as fair, which is fair for him, can have a multiple meaning. Multiple meaning means so many is choices there will be, isn't it? Mhm. Perhaps the poet wanted to say that the road is beautiful. He maybe wanted to say that the road is very beautiful, as well as, or the poet wants to be fair and choose the correct option. He may be wanting to choose the correct option here, hence selecting bent bent even two roads may portray the selection between two destinies. Now there will be maybe some doubt, they may be having some doubts of that, so is really puzzled here. Then took the other as just as fair. Yes, taking other route. If I take other route, where I will be reaching? He may be surprised. Well, is reaching and having perhaps the better claim. Now, as just as fair can have multiple choice for him to decide either this road or this road. There are multiple choice because it was grassy and wanted where it is a grassy road. So grassy road, sometimes what happens? It leads to the field or inside the forest. So this kind of things. Now, though as far that the passing there had won them really about the same. Now they had really won about the same, which road is leading here and there. So children, you have to recite this poem in your own. If possible, you put one nice tune for it. Huh? If possible, you select own tune, and sometimes it is good. You have seen these days in the videos, different types of videos, how children creatively they do. So I am asking you also should do that, and some creativeness you should have for this poem. Not only waiting to complete the poem, but just to have some creativity, you put your own tune and you try to recite that. Now once more nicely I will recite, then you try to decide in your own words. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had won them really about the same. So, children, here I finished two paragraphs from this poem. So, you also try to put some tune and sing them very creatively. Okay, then, see you. Have a nice day. God bless you. Keep you safe and sound.